welcome back to my channel, News for Kids. Today, this episode is very different and very special, as today we are taking you to one of my favorite and lakhs of kids' favorite wafer brand, Budhani Wafers of Pune. Then I'm sure you must have visited this iconic Budhani Bros store located at the famous MG Road of Pune, also known as Pune Camp Main Road. If you haven't visited them, then you should, especially if you have kids. In today's episode, we will not only just visit the store, but also give you a glimpse of their factory on how tasty Budhani wafers are and what goes into it. Plus, we are extremely thankful to Mr. Arvind Budhani to give us an exclusive interview, answering many questions that will enlighten you with the story behind the brand Budhani Wafers. So stick around and watch till the end. Today we're going to go and see Budhani. Let's go. We are very glad to introduce you to the owner of Budhani Wafers, Mr. Arvind Budhani.
Hello, hi Priya, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
We are happy to welcome you at Budhani Wafers.
Thank you for joining us on such short notice.
You are most welcome.
So I had a few questions to ask you.
Sure.
So I wanted to ask you when Budhani Wafers started their operations and how did they start?
This was started by my father and his two brothers, Madhavji, Motilal and Mangaldas. On 30th August 1955, this business was started by them. With the last salary what he had was 110 rupees. And this was started on MG Road, 323 MG Road in a small room, 10 by 10 room. He bought some potatoes, one small frying pan, stove, hand peeler and hand slicer, what the ladies use in the kitchen. And then they used to make chips with hand and used to go on bicycle and sell those chips packets around Pune. That was the history has started from 30th August 1955. Since last 65 years, that brand has grown up on a very large scale with the blessings of our Guru Maharaj and of course blessings of our parents.
How are Budhani Wafers made and how do you make them so yummy every time?
Budhani wafers are made from selected quality potatoes directly coming from the farms, best quality oil and with state-of-art machinery. Basically when the raw material is of best quality and of course the blessings are always there because everyone asks us that how do you consistently maintain the same taste and quality. We try to give the best to our customers and children are the biggest fan of our products. We have customers coming to us for 4 generations. A very old granny came, she was from Bangalore and she said, Mr. Budhani, you can see my daughter, my granddaughter and great-granddaughter. 4 generation loyal customers of Budhani Wafers. And now December is coming, Christmas parties of course due to COVID, there won't be any schools or parties everywhere. Otherwise in the schools also, they specifically class teachers make children write in the calendar only Budhani Wafers for Christmas party. So that is, we are thankful to God and our parents, those who have our mother, my aunt, the ladies in the family have also worked very, very hard. And we are born and brought up in Pune in that small room only. Now the business has grown on a very large scale and all the products have been tested as per FDA, zero cholesterol, no trans fatty acids, no preservatives and very less oil. As the trend nowadays, people are very health conscious and parents love to give their children healthy products. So maintaining the same quality and taste, but we have controlled the oil and everything. So that's why it is very healthy a product. And many a times in one of the award functions we got to know that doctors have prescribed Budhani wafers. So we got recently an international award at Hyderabad High Tech City, that world's first potato chip being prescribed by doctors also for the children.
Congratulations for your baby. And
Yes.
what is the secret ingredient that you put in every wafer's packet, and if you wish to disclose?
Basically, everyone very well knows there is not such complicated recipe for potato chips. Any household lady, mom, aunt, or anybody in the ladies in the kitchen very well know that you peel the potatoes, slice them, wash them, fry them and salt them. So there is no any special ingredient. Everything is natural in that. So that's why, and basically the blessings of our parents and the Guru Maharaj have made the quality and consistency of our product.
How many branches do you have of Budhani wafer?
Right now we have 4 branches, but our marketing network is throughout Pune and around Pune. We have 30 distributors in Pune, PCMC, and we are supplying to Mahabaleshwar, Panchgiri, Vai, Satara, Lonavala, Khandala, Solapur, Aurangabad, Ahmednagar, many cities around Pune in Maharashtra. Now, with God's grace, we are exporting our chips to USA, Canada, Australia, Singapore, Dubai and many more places. People love because they are very healthy products. Without any preservatives, due to the new packaging of foil, the products have a shelf life of 4 months. So people highly appreciate to eat healthy products. And that's why our products are being loved by all the people around the world. Now the machinery what we have is quite advanced, world latest technology. You just put the potatoes are peeled, slicing is done, slices are washed, then drying, frying, salting and then the packaging. It is totally untouched. So the process is completely on the state of art machinery, fully automatic. And we have different flavors in that because younger generation nowadays love to have something new. So we have the basic one is the fast moving salted, masala, cheese, tomato, cream onion, piri piri, pudina, black pepper. And the very famous is the potato mixture made of potato sticks with lots of dry fruits. The northern people love heavy products with lots of dry fruits and sweet taste. So that is also a very lovely product of ours. That masala salli is there, masala chips is there, masala cashew nuts, salted cashew nuts, peanuts, lots of products are there, wide range. Bobbies also, that is called the finger rings. In childhood we used to have rings in our hand, yellow color, made of rice. That is also made in a state of art machinery and a very healthy product. And the wheels, what you call frames. So now day by day we are increasing our range of products and giving healthy products for children as well as everyone.
We would like to show our viewers a glimpse of the factory. Can we have
You are most welcome. Yes, we'll be happy. Come here. We'll have a look at the factory so your fans can everyone enjoy the grace and love of how we are manufacturing some tasty potato chips.
Today we have a special permission from Mr. Arvind Budhani on request for our viewers. He is going to be showing us around the factory. So can you please show us around?
Yes, come. Here you can see the finished product is coming from the simulation conveyor. Now right now the production is going on of potato sulli, potato sticks. Come. This is the conveyor from which the potato sulli is coming and being carried by the bucket elevator. Come. This This is the packaging machine where these kind of chip packets are being automatically packed. When the chip production is going on, the machine is running. One more machine is there. These are the Japanese machines. In this machine, these smaller packets are being packed. What you see in the market, the 10 rupees, 20 rupees packet, these are being packed. This is the potato mixture 10 rupees smallest packet. And this is the potato wafer, salted one. Different colors are there for different flavors. Cheese is blue, tomato is orange, masala is red, cream onion is green. This is an automatic packaging machine. What you saw in the bucket elevator, when the chips production is there, the chip get automatically packed. The whole processing is fully automatic.
Thank you for inviting us inside. I'm sure our viewers must be very excited to see the making of Udani.
Yes, yes. Whenever they
Thank you
come
so
to
much.
Pune, all the children and they are most welcome to have fresh potato chips from Udani Wafers and to have a look at the factory. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, can you also tell us how you have helped in social causes and to motivate children?
Yes, with God's grace and our Guru Maharaj blessings and parents' blessings, we have been taught since childhood. And our Guru Maharaj's teaching was, he never preached religion. He said humanity is the only religion. We also have come from a very poor family, but with God's grace now we have everything. So our Guru Maharaj said that a service towards the humanity is the real religion and the prayer to the God. So if God has given you, be helpful to a person in need. So with God's grace, we sponsor times inter-school quiz contest, many school sports events, and we motivate girls education and girls sports also. We sponsor to many of the charitable organizations, orphanages, home for aged, army widows, and many such things. So we are thankful to God to give us such a lovely business, and with which we make people smile with giving potato chips for their events and programs. And many more things we keep on doing, and we are really thankful to everyone and towards the community and the society and the country. It's our prime duty to do something for this. Thank you. तिकडे दुर्गा माँ आणि इकडे बद्रीनारायण. आणि त्यांच्या आशीर्वादानेच हे सगळे बिझनेस झाले. This is our family temple of our Guru Maharaj, Param Pujya Sadguru Sri Jadavji Maharaj. Basically, this temple was originally been started in Mumbai at Kalba Devi Narnarayan Mandir, Jhaveri Bazar. There, this temple was built by Guru Maharaj in 1900. So there, since 120 years, every day satsang is going on. And in our premises, with his blessing, we got this big premises, so we built this temple. And since 1972, the daily satsang is going on. Our Guru Maharaj's teaching was very simple. He said God has never made any religion. Humanity is the only religion. You serve humanity, it's a prayer to God. So God has given you, be helpful to a person in need. So in this temple, you won't believe, everybody is free to come. And all caste, creed, religion people come in this temple. Some find is they say, we have a darshan of Sai Baba. Some say we have a darshan of Swami Samartha. So whatever may be in their mind or belief, they see in his image that our Guru Maharaj blessings are there always for all and one. So that is the real teaching of his humanity, and he never preached religion. So we also follow that, and many people have experienced many miracles in their life. So we are really thankful to our Guru Maharaj. The biggest miracle is in our family history itself. That just my father who migrated from Bhuj Kutch, we are Kutchi Lohanas, and we are Raghuvanshis. Rama had two sons, Lav and Kush. So from Lav we are Lohanas. We are Suryavanshis. And that's why in this temple we always have this satsang 365 days.
We are very glad and grateful that we got to visit your factory, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart, my team's heart, and from all our viewers and subscribers.
On behalf of all Budani Brothers family, we are really thankful to Priya and his team for visiting us and giving us this golden opportunity to reach the children around the world. Thank you. This is a gift for you and your family.
That's it for today. Zoom in next time for more fun facts. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a thumbs up, share my videos and comment down below. What are the new fun facts that you learned after watching this video?